What's up everybody, and welcome to another episode of Dave Steals the Show. In today's episode we're going to be unboxing the iPhone XS Max. I did not get the iPhone X because I felt it was too small and I'm used to having bigger phones, so I was using the iPhone 8 Plus for a while, which to me was just perfectly fine because I knew I was gonna miss Touch ID. But now that this is out, I decided to pick one up, unbox it, review it for a few weeks, let you guys know what I think of it, and should you guys go out and get one or not. So without further ado, let's open this bad boy up. Alright, so we remove the plastic and open up the box. And inside the box, you have your usual notes and stuff. I just take this out, put it aside. Here is the phone. I mean, it looks beautiful, but we're gonna get into that in a second. Apple has included the typical inside their box. These are the headphones. Yeah, see, there's no dongle, there's no adapter inside this box, and that's a problem for me. Apple here is assuming that everyone's got a dongle. I don't have a dongle. I was using an iPhone 5, then I was using a Galaxy S9 Plus, I was using a Galaxy Note 9. All of those phones have a headphone jack. The iPhone doesn't have a headphone jack. I can appreciate the fact that the headphones now have a lightning connector, which is great, because then if you use these, you don't need a dongle, and that makes sense. These fall out of my ear. Maybe these are weird, maybe my ears are weird, maybe I'm weird, but I can't use these, and so I have my own headphones, and so I need a dongle. So guess what? I'm gonna have to go to the Apple store now or go online and purchase a dongle after spending over $1,000 for this phone. Apple, come on. The other thing they cheat you out of is this thing. You paid over $1,000. They could have given you a fast charge adapter in here, but they give you the typical square. Now, this they give you. This I have a lot of in the house because my kids have iPhones, and so these I see all over the place. But a dongle they don't give you. I don't know. I got it in a 64 gig space gray. I don't need more than 64 gig because I store all of my photos in Google Photos. Thank you, Google. I like the look of this. It feels good in the hand. Feels just like the iPhone 8 Plus, which is what I was using previously. I started using it. The screen looks beautiful. It is an OLED screen, which is very nice. It's not a Samsung screen, maybe because Samsung oversaturates their screens. But it does look really nice. Alright, so I'm gonna put this phone through its paces over the next few weeks. I'm gonna compare the camera to the Google Pixel 2 XL while I'm waiting for the Google Pixel 3 to come out. I know that Marques Brownlee, MKBHD, if you follow him, he already mentioned that the camera is better than the iPhone X, but still not as good as the Google Pixel 2 XL. I want to put that to the test myself and let you guys know what I think. I'll upload that video shortly. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.